Now we will talk about stretching exercise. The first one is lower back stretch. As you see in the picture, we'll do this for 30 seconds plus another 30 seconds to stretch your upper back muscles. Next one is side stretch. The same seconds, we'll do 30 seconds plus another 30 seconds for right side and left side. It means 1 minute for right side and 1 minute for left side to stretch the muscles of your side. Next one is upper back stretch for your upper back muscles stretching, and again 30 seconds plus 30 seconds. This one is gluteus stretch for your gluteus muscle stretch and your lower back muscle stretch at the same time. We'll do the same 30 seconds plus 30 seconds. This one is the hamstring stretch for your hamstring muscles, and this is very important to stretch your hamstring muscle because most of the back patient people, they have problem and tightness in the hamstring muscle. So we should focus on this exercise. We'll do it 30 seconds, but in 3 times, not 2 times. It means 30 seconds, then rest, then 30 seconds, then rest, then 30 seconds. It means 1 minute and a half for each leg, of course. Then the last one, similar to the hamstring muscle, but it's called rotation stretch for your back muscles, for rotatory back muscles that's responsible for your rotation. We'll do 30 seconds plus another 30 seconds. It means 1 minute. All of these exercises, stretching exercises, is for increasing your muscle flexibility, your muscles mobility, your back mobility. It means it will give your back free movements to reduce the pain, to reduce the inflammation, to make you feel free, not tight muscle, not able to move. No, it will make you feel better.